Looking for an easy way to get projects done or start your freelance side hustle in 2025? Let's review Fiverr, one of the world's most popular freelance marketplaces. Hiring freelancers can be tricky. Traditional platforms are expensive, slow, or hard to navigate. Fiverr makes it simple. Buyers can hire professionals starting at just $5. Freelancers can showcase skills and find clients worldwide. Everything is fast, affordable, and secure. Here's why I recommend Fiverr in 2025. First, it's perfect for buyers. From graphic design to video editing, you can find talent in minutes. Second, it offers transparent pricing and reviews, so you know exactly what you're getting. Third, it's great for freelancers. You can sell services globally and get paid quickly, even without an existing client base. If you want to start hiring or selling on Fiverr, I've linked it below. Plus, grab my Fiverr and Fiverr Pro Beginner Guide to supercharge your gig requests and project ideas. Check it out and see why Fiverr is still a top platform in 2025.